In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add planned dates on bills in Xero. We'll walk through a simple flow that helps you schedule when you intend to pay your bills, so your cash flow stays predictable and your team knows what's coming up. We'll start from the main menu, move into your bills list, focus on your drafts, open the bill you want to update, and set the date you plan to pay it. From your Xero dashboard, head to Purchases. This is your central place for everything you buy from suppliers. Inside Purchases, open Bills. Here, you'll see all your bills grouped by their status. To keep things clean and reduce the chance of changing approved documents, switch to the draft view. Drafts are perfect for planning because they're still editable and haven't entered your approvals or payment queue yet. Next, choose the bill you want to schedule. You can spot it by supplier name, reference, or amount. Click to open it. You're now on the bill edit screen where you can review key details like the supplier, dates, amounts, and line items. Take a quick moment to confirm the basics. Look right. Planning a payment date works best when the bill totals and tax settings are already accurate. Now, set the date you plan to pay. Click the due date field. This opens a calendar picker. Select the exact day you intend to make the payment. Many teams use the due date as the planned payment date to align with supplier terms, but you can also choose a date that fits your cash cycle, as long as you remain within any agreed terms. Choosing a consistent weekday, like every Friday, can make batch payments easier and reduce last-minute rushes. Once you've selected the date, you'll see it reflected on the bill. This date helps you and your team sort, filter, and prioritize upcoming payments in the bills list. It also supports clearer forecasting in your workflows, so you can see what's coming up and avoid surprises. If your organization uses reminders or internal payment runs, aligning this date with your actual payment habits keeps everyone on the same page. And if you change your mind later, just return to the same bill and update the date with a single click on the calendar. That's it. Go to Purchases, Open Bills, View Draft, pick the bill you want to plan, and set the due date to match when you intend to pay. Repeat this for the rest of your draft bills to create a clear schedule, keep approvals smooth, and maintain healthier cash flow.